Hey guys, JAX channel here. If you don't know who the JAX channel is, this is James, J and JAX, me, Asher, the A and JAX, Xander, X and JAX, and we're here with a special guest. He is also a subscriber and he loves our videos. His name is Julian. Hi guys. Okay.
Okay, so today we're going to be opening this Shining Fates box, and what the description says, it says, reveal a shining destiny. Shiny Pokemon are so extraordinary that they're almost never seen, and trainers who catch them are considered lucky, quite lucky. And yet they can be yours in this Pokémon TCG Shining Fates expansion. More than 100 shiny Pokemon appear in beautiful etched cards, alongside more than 30 Pokemon V and Pokemon V Max, including a spectacular shiny Charizard in its Gigantamax form. Seize your destiny and expand your collection with this Shining Fates expansion.
Like, subscribe, and hit that little bell.
And now let's get on with the video.
Yes.
But before we get on with the video, you guys are wondering why we have the Vivid Voltage box from 2 videos ago. I'm going to actually tell you a backstory of it. And the backstory goes, we were never actually meant to get this box. We were going to get the Shining Fates. We went to a GameStop because it was the only one open. And we asked if it was there, and they said no. But I saw this, and I said, hey, let's get this box. And they said, are you sure? And I said, yes. So that's why you have a Vivid Voltage video.
That is so cool.
Okay.
But go check out that video on the JAX channel. We actually have the screen right behind us.
All right. Okay, let's get on with the video.
Yep.
Bye, guys.
Then you're gonna get the box out.
Is it on?
Yes, it is.
We have
Guys, we have 10 packs, so this might take a little long.
Okay, so we got the book.
Yeah, we have the book. We have the other rules.
We got
A
the rules.
coder card.
We got a code card.
We got
An EV Max foil promo card.
And we also got
Energy.
some energies. We got some
We got some sleeves.
sleeves. We have 10 of the packs that we will be opening for you guys today.
We got these.
We also
things.
got the dice, of
We got-
course.
we got-
And we got healing in where the heck
Acid.
that is? Acid, yeah.
And then we got these things.
Sleeves.
Okay, I'm going to pass a pack. You get that one. You get that one. And James, you get this one.
See
Okay,
if we get a shiny Charizard.
we are opening the packs right now. It's hard. I know, right? It's very hard to get open. Xander got his first pack open. I think I'm gonna swallow it. So the
Alright
first-
guys, so we have to start it off with a coder card. So yeah. Then we got
a Yanma.
a Yama, guys. And then Rudo. We have a Eevee. That's so cute.
Oh, it's not sick. I can't get this on.
We have more Pekka. Uh-huh. We have Sufid.
Cupid.
Yeah. We have a shiny here.
Blip bug.
We have a shiny Blipbug.
Okay, I'm gonna be going through mine. We have a Eevee, a shiny Relief Boom V,
Ribbit.
Skyla. And
Guys, we have a Volky. Yeah, Volcini. We have a electric type.
a energy, rusted sword, dark tricks, all guy, or Pico.
Ooh, Julian got a Grookey. We have a Tropius.
I have Gym Trainer.
I have a Gym Trader. And we have a Rotom.
Snom.
Now you can put that down. Spinnerag. More Beetle, I think.
More Pico.
Yeah, more Pico.
We have a
A
Rowlet.
Rowlet, which is
A shiny
Frostmoth.
Frostmoth.
So oh my gosh! You got a V card. Julian got the best card yet.
He got one of
Way to go, Julian.
Yeah.
A
You
second,
pulled one-
a second
Yeah.
energy.
Julian the ball.
We have
Rusted-
energy.
A rusted shield.
We're still shield, guys.
Female towel. And a Eldergloss.
Eldergloss.
Alright.
And a code card.
Alright, Asher, say your cards.
Use a Grass Energy. We got a Floatzel. We got a Dark Tricks.
Was that all of the packs?
We got a Comrade.
Good job, bro.
And we got a Coffin.
Wait, what
We got a
happened?
Snom.
I don't know who got that one.
We got a Glossifer. We got a Cufant. We got a Spinarak. Hollow Luxray. And DDV.
And DDV.
Stop. I'm gonna put all the good cards together.
Alright, put all the good cards over here. Give me all the good cards.
No, give me all the good cards.
Give me all the good
Guys,
cards.
it doesn't matter.
Where's the Frostmoth?
Julian, you get that.
Oh, can I have that, Julian?
You get that.
Julian, can I have that?
No, you're gonna get another pack.
There's 2 left.
Oh, okay, I opened it. Good job. Alright, guys, let me tell you. We have a code card, another one.
I have it in my mouth. Yeah.
We have Glossifer.
I got it.
It's so hard to. We have Cufant. Spit Ray. Galaxy Ball.
Snarl. Barstorm.
Trudeau.
Catmere. Caution.
Catnia.
Ooh, an amazing rare rushing
We have another shiny for me.
Shiny Graplock.
a Primarate V.
Ooh!
A Morpeko V.
Morpeko V.
Electric energy.
Electric energy.
Is
Lexia.
this start type
And
energy?
Bulldog.
Well, we do
Bulldog.
have energy, guys.
Trophy.
We have Rusty Shield. And we have Rotom. And
Alright, it's my turn.
Yeah.
My turn. Okay, a Fire Energy, Grookey, Rusted Sword, Rotom,
Fill up the pack.
Trapinch, Rowlet, Nickit, Shank, Cacnea, Nickit, and Volcanion.
We got Eldergloss.
Are these the last 2 packs?
Yes. Dartrix. Grookey.
Julian, I'm gonna open up this
Nick it.
one. There's only 2 more packs in this.
Trudeau? Morpeko. Eevee. Yarma. And a Bad Professor's Research. Energy. And a Rusted Sword.
We have a horsey. Another Eevee for me. Trudel. Morpeko.
Yanma.
Yanma, nice. I have a Grookey. We have a Zarude. We have Grass Energy. Eldercos. Trukius.
And Ball Guy.
And Bogai.
Psychic
Then we
Energy.
have Co-Card.
Psychic Energy. Gym Trainer. Floatzel. Rusted Sword. Coughing. Shinx. Kuzu. Nickit. Trapinch. Dreadnought. And another terrible card at Boss's Orders.
Oh my God. I got a good card.
Is that all the pack?
That is all the packs.
You don't get a couple now. You don't get this card. But let's go.
Okay, here's the shiny.
Let's go, bro.
Okay.
I got
Where's all
the
the sleeves?
Here are the good cards. We got a shiny Blipbug, a Delmise V, a DDV, Rillaboom Shiny V, Skylove, Cramorant V, Amazing Rare Reshiram, and Shiny Frostmoth.
I got nothing.
And a Eevee V Max.
GG Max. Can you give me the card, please?
Oh, and also a shiny Grapplock.
Yes.
Oh, and also more Pika V.
How did you miss all of them?
I don't know.
Imagine we got this.
Wait, what? Oh my God.
Oh, come on.
We could have got a shiny Charizard.
We could have gotten anything. I think we got the worst box.
It's the worst one.
You were looking for
What do
it,
you got?
looking for it for 6
What do you
months.
mean? We
You're
have
welcome.
Eevee V Max. That's not the worst
Yeah.
card ever.
Well, yeah.
This is actually an Eevee V Max rare.
How about a thank cool magical mom?
Thank you. I didn't complain.
Maybe next time we get one of these, you'll pull a shiny.
Maybe next time I won't buy anything.
No! No! I don't want you to. Imagine we pulled a V Max Pikachu.
It'd be impossible, but okay. Okay.
Thanks for
Alright.
watching the video, guys. Hope you have a good summer. And
Like, subscribe, and hit the little bell.
yes.
Bye.
And,
Bye.
comment
We're gonna
down
sort all
on
these
our
cards.
video.
We're gonna go sort all these cards now. Bye bye.
And thanks, Julianne, for coming.
Oh, thank you,
Yeah,
Julie,
thank
one of
you.
our big subscribers. Thank you for coming over.
Have a good day.